Welcome to Deliciously Satisfying Recipes. Unforgettable Culinary Creations. Get ready to experience the flavors of a lifetime. Today, we'll share some mouth-watering recipes that will leave you craving for more. First up, we have the classic Italian lasagna. Layer upon layer of pasta. Rich tomato sauce. Melted cheese. And savory ground beef create a symphony of flavors that will transport you to Italy in just one bite. Next, we bring you the spicy Asian stir-fry. This vibrant dish marries the perfect blend of fresh vegetables, tender meat, and spicy sauces. Each bite is a burst of bold and tangy flavors that will awaken your taste buds. Now, it's time for something sweet. Prepare to be whisked away by our decadent chocolate cake. This indulgent dessert is a chocolate lover's dream, with its moist layers, creamy frosting, and a sprinkling of chocolate curls on top. It's pure bliss in every forkful. But that's not all. We have an exquisite dish for seafood enthusiasts. Introducing our grilled lemon salmon. This dish features succulent salmon fillets, marinated in zesty lemon juice, herbs, and spices. The grilling adds a smoky flavor that perfectly complements the natural richness of the fish. Last but not least, we present the gourmet mushroom risotto. Creamy and savory, this dish combines tender arborio rice, earthy mushrooms, and a touch of Parmesan cheese. It's a luxurious comfort food that will warm your heart with every spoonful. These recipes are just a taste of the culinary wonders you can create in your own kitchen. Why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your meals to extraordinary? Bring joy to your loved ones' taste buds with these unforgettable dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes. Happy cooking!